how to fix Chatgpt access denied, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just open your browser, and then once you're here, click these 3 points, and now go to history, click on it, and then click here. Now once you're here, now just click clear browsing data, and then click basic and select 1 day, and that's it. Now select only cookies and then clear data, and after that just open task manager. Just close your browser, close it, and then open it again, and that's it. Now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.